Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. Today, find out how the price of Ethereum has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA, divergence and MACD show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the Ethereum hourly time frame, the price went up by around 2.0% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 169. And the volume wasn't especially high, so this move wasn't very strong. Looking at the hourly simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is above all of the simple moving averages, which looks bullish, and you should watch if the closest SMA, the 100 SMA, could remain stable or the price will dip below it with the current price of around 169. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. Looking at the hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is above the hourly ribbon, which is generally bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support, so it is to watch if the price could bounce off it. The current price to watch is around 167. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Searching for divergence in the hourly time frame, the price has already gone up owing to the last bullish divergence. Jumping to the hourly MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. Looking at the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is strong at the moment, and we can expect the price to continue growing or maybe at least remaining the same for some time. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is above all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bullish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 50 SMA, could hold support or the price will break it to the downside below the current price of around 167. Looking at the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is above the 3-hourly ribbon, which can be perceived as bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support. This means that you should watch if the price could bounce off the ribbon. The current price to watch is around 165. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Jumping to the 3-hourly MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong, and it could be expected the price to go further to the upside. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, the current price is between the 100 and the 200 SMA. If the price bounces off the 100 SMA, which is currently at 158, it could be seen as a support, and the 200 SMA, that is at 181, could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Looking at the daily exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is above the daily ribbon, which can be perceived as bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support. This means that you should watch if the price could bounce off the ribbon. The current price to watch is around 151. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Looking at the daily MACD, seeing as the MACD line is above the signal line, meaning that the trend is currently on the up. But according to the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is going down. Owing to this, we can expect the price to remain stable, and you should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be a downward trend. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.